This is Taylor Beatty with The Blueprint, and I'm here to share unique experiences of student life here at our school during the holidays. As November drags along and 2023 comes to an end, students at DGS begin to prepare for their yearly holiday traditions. For many, Thanksgiving is the typical event coming up, but many families have their own unique way of celebrating it. Whether it be a different dish than the usual main course of turkey or a specific TV special that has to be watched during the gathering, Thanksgiving allows for friends and family to come together and appreciate one another. Senior Sophia Johnson's family does just this. Johnson describes her experiences on Thanksgiving that have stuck within her family for years to come.
On Thanksgiving, my family and I get ham instead of turkey. Even though ham is more of a Christmas thing, we do it for Thanksgiving just because we like ham better, and it's just always been a thing for us. In the past, the turkey has always been really dry, so then my aunt started making ham because she made it better than turkey, and it's always been her responsibility to bring it.
Johnson's family changes up their yearly dinner, contrary to the usual meal that is served on the holiday. It's also popular, yet niche, for families to order some type of takeout food, such as Chinese, instead of serving a feast.
On Thanksgiving, my family and I put up our big Christmas tree in our family room when all of our relatives come over, just to start off the Christmas holiday because we like it more than Thanksgiving. Also, on Thanksgiving, my cousins and I will always watch Christmas movies in my basement because it's more entertaining, and Christmas movies have better situations, I guess, than Thanksgiving movies.
Commonly, Christmas is significantly more popular among DGS students. Johnson's family involves it as early as they possibly can, saying Christmas is a season, not a holiday. While this is true, there are some select students who really take pride in Thanksgiving on its own, strictly waiting till December 1st to pull out the Christmas tree. Senior Maeve Galvin is one of them, and they enjoy the spirit surrounding Thanksgiving.
So during Thanksgiving, usually on Thanksgiving Day, I go to two different family parties. So I go to my mom's side at 12 for a lunch, and then I go down in Chicago to my dad's side for a dinner. But we usually have the same things. We eat turkey, ham, mashed potatoes, and gravy, stuffing. We usually have all the regular, but also every single Thanksgiving we do have a football game for our family that we do. So yeah.
Galvin is able to attend multiple celebrations to visit family, indulging in a classic-style dinner for Thanksgiving. Sports can also play a large part in traditions, as NFL football games usually take place on the holiday. Some families, such as the Galvins, even participate in athletic activity themselves, hosting a game between her and her cousins.
So the football game we usually do with my my mom's side of the family, and we usually just do two teams. My grandma chooses one team and then my grandpa chooses the other, and it's just with all the cousins, because the a lot of our parents or the aunts and uncles are kind of old, so they don't really play as much, so it's just the cousins against cousins just playing a football game.
Being able to spend this time with their families and friends is crucial to the Galvin and Johnsons' Thanksgivings, as it is for many other students here at DGS. Whether it be switching out a dish or a family-sponsored ball game, the spirit of the festivity is vibrantly represented at our school. This is Taylor Beatty with The Blueprint, and thanks for listening.